Hey there, future professionals. Welcome back to my channel. And today we got an essential topic for all you freshers out there. It's resume writing. So remember, your resume is your ticket to the professional world. And today I have got 15 tips to help you craft a resume properly. Before I dive in and start the topic, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and ring the bell icon. So let's get started. First thing first, always tailor your resume as per the specific job requirement, a specific job description where you're applying for. Remember, don't just hit the apply button when you see the job which is available. Go through the job description, read it properly, and then apply for the job. Before that, make sure the keywords which are in the job description, if it is relevant to your skills, make sure those keywords are available in the resume. So this shows your employer where you're applying. This shows that you are a perfect fit for that role. Ensure, and instead of just applying for each and every role, make sure that you're applying for the right role. This will save you from lots of hectic, trust me. So first topic is contact information. Make sure that your contact informations are up to date. Please ensure your contact informations are up to date and professional. Include your full name, phone number, email address, and LinkedIn profile if you have one. If you guys are a developer, if you have a GitHub, Stack Overflow, I would recommend to use those links on the resume. Doesn't matter if the hiring manager or recruiter read it or not, but add it. Right? So, full name, phone number, email address, LinkedIn profile. Must have on the resume. Double check for the accuracy. Obviously, you don't want to miss any interview calls, so make sure all the details are correct. So second is objective or summary. Always make sure that you're writing a crisp summary, objective, not too lengthy, not too short. Right? Craft a compelling objective or a summary at the beginning of your resume. This gives employer a quick overview of your goals and what you bring to the table. Make it concise and tailor it to according to the job you're applying for. Second, then highlight education. Highlight your educations. Chronological order. Include the name of institution, degree, graduation date, and any relevant experience or academic achievements. If you have done any academic projects, any volunteer work, part-time work, don't hide anything. Put it on the resume. Showcase relevant coursework and projects. If you have done, like I said, any coursework related to job you're applying for, or any other coursework also, don't hide it. Put it on the resume. Even if it is not relevant, what you have done, put it on the resume. This gives employer a glimpse into your practical skill and how you are aligned to the job requirements. Even if you're not aligned to the particular job you're applying for, maybe it can help you to get other role available in the organization. So always highlight proper experience on the resume, even if it is academic projects, personal projects, part-time works, volunteer work, freelance work. Don't hide anything. Always put everything on the resume. Now, next is a skills section. Create a skill section that highlights both hard and soft skills. So hard, this is a chance to shine and showcase what you bring to the table, right? Tailor it to match the skill mentioned in the job description. So let's suppose if they are asking for strong communication skills. If you have strong communication skills, mention it under soft skills. Let's suppose if they are asking for good experience in data analysis. If you have good experience in data analysis, mention it in the technical skills section. So always highlight your skills. Mention, divide the category, hard skills, technical skills, soft skills. Accordingly, put the skills you have as per the job description. If you have done any internship, if you have any prior experience, doesn't matter if you have it or not. If you have it, put it. If you don't have it, leave it. Instead of that, you can put your achievements, your college awards, your internship awards, your project awards, whatever achievements, wherever possible, right? Numbers stand out and provide tangible evidence of your impact. So whether it's increasing sales, improving process, or receiving awards, don't hesitate. Put it on the resume. And always start your bullet points with powerful actions. Right? These add a dynamic touch to your resume and emphasize your proactive approach in previous roles. Show them that you mean business. Be concise. Keep it concise. Aim for a one-page resume. Don't write 4-5 page resume if you are applying for entry level positions. It doesn't make any sense. You don't have any prior experience. You are not applying for senior roles. You are applying for entry level roles. So always make sure that resume is 1 page, max to max 2 page, not more than that. And make sure that your resume formatting is professional. You don't have any fancy fonts, colors, nothing on the resume. Keep it clean, keep it professional. All right. Always don't forget to mention any extracurricular activities also. This could be club, sports, or other pursuits that demonstrate your leadership, teamwork, or relevant skills. Show them the well-rounded person you are. And then if you comes to next is keywords. Incorporate keywords relevant to the job. Many companies use ATS, and use the right keywords can help your resume pass through the ATS system, right? So like I said, always go through the job description, make sure you have those relevant keywords on the resume, right? Then professional email address. Last but not the least, ensure your email address is professional. Avoid using nicknames or overly casual addresses like cooldude69, cooldude2023. Don't use those email addresses. Make sure that you're using a professional email, right? It definitely matters. Professional email adds the final touch of the polish. Well, there you have it. 15 resume tips to kickstart your career journey. Remember, your resume is your professional marketing tool, so make it stand out. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more career tips and advice. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck crafting that perfect resume. Until next time, stay ambitious. Thank you guys.